Welcome back to another video of me, with y'all, with me, watching me show y'all how I do my signature high bun. If that makes sense. Anyway, but y'all, I hope you like it, and let's get into this video. Let's just talk about how raw I am in this video though. Like, no makeup, no nothing. I'm just here with no eyebrows, no face, none of that, showing y'all how I do my signature high bun because I am bored. So I thought I should show you guys. Y'all gotta give me props for that though. How about a thumbs up? How about a subscribe? Do as you please, please. Anyway. When I'm sleeking my hair up like that, I use a lot. Okay, not a lot. I use a good size amount of gel just because I like my hair to be slick. The key to a fluffy bun after I twist it like that is how I did that little shake. You gotta shake it a little bit to make that twist a bit bigger, to make it fluffier. So you got a bigger bun. If you want a smaller bun, you do a tighter twist. Got me? Hi. I do my edges like this on most days, like every day almost. I do my edges like this. Some days I do the one when you do like the comb and then the pushback method thing. But this one I really like to do just like 2 swoops, maybe 1 in the middle, 2 on the next side. I don't do nothing too crazy, but this is the signature way that I do my baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call it. It's real simple and it's easy. Just pull your hair up and pull some baby hairs out and boom. On this side of my hair, I struggled a little bit, as you could see. It took me a while, and then I had to turn to look in the mirror, but I got it eventually. My edges are sisters. They're not twins. They're not none of that. Sometimes they could even be cousins. Cousins, and I'm perfectly fine with it. I think that's what makes the hairstyle a little bit more cuter. But see, still doing it. These be hard sometimes. But yeah, just doing my sideburns. I like my sideburns like that. Nice and sideburny. Yes, honey. This is the final look. I hope you guys like how I do my signature high bun. But yeah, I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, deuces.